So first you guys are going to start off with a good sized pot. You guys are going to add some olive oil once it's already been heated up. You guys are then going to add a good tablespoon of garlic. I like using the minced one. It makes it so much easier. This is a really quick weekday dinner. One pot, that's all it takes. Then you guys are going to add a bit of chili flakes, all about preference. So you gotta make sure there's like a low to medium heat so the garlic really brings out all its flavors. If you guys don't want to use olive oil, you could opt for butter, a much richer taste. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some Italian sausage. What I have on hand right now is a Jimmy Dean Italian sausage. The more it cooks, the more it's going to crumble. Don't worry about these big chunks. Add a bit more olive oil so it doesn't start sticking to the pan. Remember, all of this is about preference. And you should start seasoning it here. All I really add at this point is just a little bit of pepper. And that's about it. It already has a bunch of flavor. And either way, we're going to season it again once we add our tomato sauce. As soon as it starts browning, we're going to take a spoonful of tomato paste. We're going to add our can of crushed tomatoes. I am using Hunt's, as well as the tomato paste with Hunt's. We're just going to add it in there. What we're going to do is fill a can of water and add it to this. I'm just going to let that come up to a slight simmer. I have my stove on to medium at the moment. If you guys want it more runny, add more water. Like I said, it's all preference. Some pepper, some basil, and some oregano. Mind you, I know I'm aware that the Italian sausage already has a lot of these seasonings. It's all about seasoning every layer. Because I did not add chicken stock but a can of water, I'm going to add some chicken flavoring with Knorr. I know that may seem like a lot, but I've mastered my recipe. We're going to let that come to a slight simmer. Once it starts simmering, we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream. All you need is half a pint. And add it all in there. What I really love about this recipe is that it's fairly easy to make. All it takes is just one pot. I do not have time to be using multiple pots, multiple things at once. I get very easily distracted, especially when I'm sick. This is just heaven. And then you're just gonna mix it. What I'm gonna do to this, I'm gonna add one more bottle of water just to make it a lot more soupy. Like I said, it's all about preference. If you prefer it this thick, by all means. And then you're just gonna adjust the seasoning once we've added that water. want to season with just salt instead of Knorr, it tastes just about the same. The Knorr does add a sort of richness to it that the chicken stock might. I just didn't have chicken stock on hand right now. We're gonna add in our tortellini. Today I'm using this Tony mixed cheese tortellini. And normally, I guess you could pre-boil these so they're cooked a lot more through once you put it into this type of broth. But like I said, it's supposed to be easy, one pot. Might take just a little bit longer, but it adds such a good flavor. It cooks a lot more softer. All the flavors just incorporate a lot better. Like the last steps is adding the spinach. You can add fresh, like super fresh spinach. I have on hand some frozen chopped spinach from Walmart. Works just as well. You don't want to eat spinach, you could always try kale. That's such a tasty dish. Put this on low to medium. We're going to cover it and let it, I want to say simmer for a good maybe 20 minutes. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done.